everybody, this is Melanie and welcome to Fish Sauce Mama. This is where I make delicious and easy to follow home cooked videos for you. And it's also 60 to 70% on the healthy side. I cook a lot of Vietnamese Asian food, occasionally also other foods, the food that I tried and like. Here you will find a lot of meat, a lot of vegetables, a lot of fish, and many more. If you're up for some tasty grilled food or easy Asian comfort food, from snack to party to street food, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell for videos on Fridays. Thank you, bye bye. Okay, so today we are making this lobster. Ugh.